Hi, this is Tracy from Gift Basket Appeal, and we're going to make a holiday greeting card, so let's get started. For this card, I'm going to be using the Holly stamp on here, but you got so many different ones. This is the Mindless Crafting Season's Greeting stamp set, but you got the candy canes, the gifts, the Santa hat, snowflakes, the bell, the star, and you got Season's Greetings, Happy Holidays, and Merry Christmas. For this one, I'm also going to be using the die cut, and there's several that come in the kit, and they are already cut out and ready for you to use. So you got the banner. I think I'm going to be using this right here, the ornament, which looks really fun. But you got the gingerbread house too, which is really cute. But I think this will go perfect, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to be using this emerald green paper along with the white card base. I thought that would look nice, and this is where I'm going to stamp out my art on. So I'm using the VersaFine ink, and when I created this image, I wanted something curved slightly, but I also wanted something that I can make borders around, so I thought this would be really nice. And just lining this up. Turn that around and do the same thing on this side. So you see the slight curve there? I'm going to do it over here too. And right about here. Okay, so you got that nice little border around there, and now I get to color that in. So in the center, I'm going to put that ornament. I think it'll look really good. But once I start coloring it in, I'll be able to see. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm using my Tombow markers. I'm just going to color this in a little bit. So I left this open enough, especially with just the entire stamp set, when I was thinking about what I wanted to have on it. I wanted some open space that'll make it fun to color. So I'm just going to do one of these so you can see what I do. And I'm just going to use the traditional colors, red and greens, but you could use whatever color you want. And this kind of reminds me of a coloring book image when I'm doing this. Taking my time, very relaxing. Okay, and I'm thinking of popping a green gem in there, but we'll see. And I'm going to take my red and just do my little flower here. Do my berries right here too. Okay, so that's what I have so far. So let me show you that. You see how it's coming together? Wait till I'm finished the entire thing. So I'm going to go ahead and color in the rest of this. Okay, so look how easy that is and how it's coming together, and it has that frame just around it, a pretty delicate frame. And you can do this in whatever color you want. I would love to try this out in some of the other colors as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and start building our card here. Get out my art glitter glue. You can create a nice frame. I think I would even use this even when it's not around the holidays. That frame looks really pretty. Just do it in a different color. Look how pretty that looks. Now we're going to add it on here. Give it that white base. I'm going to add some dimension to my my ornament and pop that on there just to, I don't know, I just love layering. Okay. Have that on like that. Okay, and now I'm just going to pop this on here, maybe just right over here like this, maybe like that. So let's see what we got here. So this is coming together real nice. And now that I think about it, I'm going to use my gel pen just to look what I'm going to do. Even on a die cut image, add some stitching. I'll let that dry for a little bit too. You can put some glittery stuff on here as well. Just showing you what you can do. I'll let that dry for a little bit, and let's pop some sparkly stuff on here. So I'm going to put some right in the middle here of each flower. And you'll get some of these sparkly gems in your kit. Just to add some sparkle to your cards. Look how pretty that looks and festive. And I'll put the link below to everything that I used. Even if you don't have the kit, you can always use this as a card layout for something else. The layout can be an inspiration for you too. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you can see those sparkly things on there. I am really loving the way that kind of swoops down just a little bit. And I'm going to add some gems along there too. See, maybe in this corner here. Right there. Get rid of that. The nice thing about art glitter glue is it dries clear, so you won't even see that. About there. Look how pretty that looks. I'm finding so many ideas with this kit, and I can't wait to share all of them with you. And also the stamp set comes inside the kit, but it's also sold separately. Okay, now for the icing on the cake, let's add our bell to this. Put it like that, kind of slanted a little bit. Just like that. Now you have a clean and simple card. Just says joy. Look how pretty that is. You got some sparkly things on there. Got you a little bit of dimension on there. And if you want, you can go in and put some stickles around it. If you want to really fill it in even more, you can. I'm going to leave it just like this. Let me show you the other one. So I got a joy going this way and joy going that way. So look how pretty that is. So I hope you were inspired by this. I'll leave the link to our website, mindlesscrafting.com, and you can go and check out the stamp set or the kit, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.